got them finished. Let's watch. Don't spill any on my britches.
Yeah. So what are we doing and what are we using?
We are mixing up 8 ounces of epoxy, and I'm using, I'll show you as soon as I'm done here. 1-to-1 ratio, so I have 4 ounces of, I always put part B in. This is Bond Crafter.
And this is a new one that you just kind of started trying out.
I've used it a little bit, but not very much. And I've not ever used it in a board like this.
So we are experimenting.
But Amy, over at Resonating Art by Amy M., who does amazing blooms, y'all should check her out, told me about this. And I kind of like it so far, and it's a whole lot cheaper.
Because you normally use Let's Resin, correct?
Uh-huh. And I like Let's Resin, too. As always, measure exact. You don't want too much of one and too little of another.
And the drippy there is why she gets the gunk down the side.
Yeah. At least they got the little plugs there.
Alright.
And then I had bigger cups and I ran out of the bigger sticks, so I got bigger sticks, which are very big sticks. And then I ran out of bigger cups, so I got little sticks, big sticks, little cups.
Sometimes you just need a big stick, dear.
Wow.
So she's going to mix this up and we'll be back. Still stirring. And she's done stirring. Finally. So now she's going to separate it out into some smaller cups.
So we want just a little, that's got to be blowed off before.
Alright, so what color are we adding and where are we putting it?
So this one is chameleon powder, purplish, red, blue, green. It's got a brown tinge to it. So we're going to put it up here on the mountain. Since I'm using chameleon colors and stuff on the others, I wanted this one to sparkle too. I'm going to sparkle when this is done because it's going to be everywhere. So. Do we want to put just a little bit of white in there so it's kind of like a snow look?
You can.
And this is a pearlescent white.
I wouldn't get too carried away with it though. Unfortunately, it's one of those things you can't add in after you've already poured it because it don't work that way.
You gotta make sure it gets stirred good. Don't want little pieces of the powder floating up to the top. Y'all, the storm's just rolled in. It is muggy in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was mowing earlier and it, I mean, it was a
flies
little on the
are
warm side,
horrible,
but it
too.
wasn't bad.
Okay.
Shop bird is back. So if you guys want to see the carvings on these, you'll have to go check out the past couple of lives we did, because we did these.
On the last 2 lives, didn't we?
We did the deer here on the first one, and then we just did the bear last night.
I'm gonna find me a little mold and
I guess we did a wee bit too much. I shouldn't told her to add a little more.
just pour it in there. I know it's clean because it's sealed up. Thing just putting over there, I can't scrape it all out. That's good enough. Okay, so we want a green, and I have Let's Resin Intense Chameleon Powders, green. And I actually think I want to mix just a little bit of black in with that because I want like a forest green. That ought to be plenty. Overmix that last one, but you know.
That is a really cool looking green though.
Do you want me to leave it that color instead of putting the black in?
I say mix it up and see how it looks. Of course, I don't know, may not ask me about measurements right now because I was apparently already off on.
It's hard to measure that, and yeah. Oh, that might be really cool.
Oh yeah.
Let's just leave it like that. Let me put the lid on so I don't dump it out, and then I won't have any. I do want to move this out from behind my elbow. Bad things happen.
Never.
I ruined t-shirts, jeans.
Projects.
True. Oh yeah, I'm glad we left it. That's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't normally mix all different colors. I just put one color in everything, but Eric talked me into it.
Well, you know, since it's not all connected and everything, you can actually have it separated.
True.
Might as well add some different colors and make it pop a little bit. Rather than just one color and then it's just like, eh. Don't worry about it being, you know, over full there, y'all, because she'll make me sand it off later.
Oh, I will not. You'll be at work all weekend. Because this is Thursday. I'm going to let it set till the weekend. It's probably going to come out here at night because it's supposed to get really hot this week.
Mm-hmm.
Or this weekend.
It's supposed to be back up in the 90s. It's been nice the last couple of days. That's going to be a colorful eagle.
Back years ago when me and Mom made candles, we always had a spare sitting on the side, used a quart jar, called it the slop jar. And they were the best smelling candles out of all of them, so who knows? This might be a pretty cool looking bird.
Oh, is that epoxy going to smell?
Ha ha. Okay, brown next.
Yep.
Which one of these ain't I used? This one.
Now, are you doing that for the deer and the bear, or are you going to do the bear a different color?
I don't know. What do you think?
I'd say, why don't you all leave a suggestion down in the comments, but we're going to be done before you see it. So.
And then the deer, that is not the one I want. This one is Intense Chameleon Powder Maple. Deer are usually a lot darker than deer,
Just
so
the focus here. There you go.
I'm just afraid if we make it darker, it's that walnut, once it's oiled, it's going to be really dark and hard to see.
Make it white, make it a polar bear.
A polar bear.
We'll let her out, edit out some of the mixing here.
Okay. I was going to say, when it come out, it looked green. It's like, what did I do? But that's the chameleon color. Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Now we're going to have a...
Colorful deer leg. It looks more yellow, doesn't it?
It's got some yellow in it, that's for sure. Of course, it could be just the way the light's hitting it, too. I think it's kind of cool looking, though. Except for
Yeah, and that looks blue from this angle.
the deer's got gangrene.
And I'm leading over there, too.
Womp, womp, womp.
And I think... Oh, right here. I'm going to put in just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pour that into the bear, but I'm going to add just a little bit of brown.
You got enough for the bear?
Well, I'm going to do it all one color, right?
Yep.
Let's leave some in there just in case.
And what color? Is that just a plain brown?
Give me just a second. Just plain brown. From Lightstone.
Yeah. Figured you'd start over here where it's furthest away from you.
Can't see straight, can I?
Well, get it in the hole, dear. think adding that brown in there gave it a cool.
More of a shimmer.
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to have enough for my eagle, though, that's for sure.
Tone down some of the yellow, like that's in the deer over there. Minus the, just forget the gangrene leg there.
I can't see and do nothing here with.
So, all right, guys. We will, or she will, because I'll be at work, bring you back when she starts sanding on these things and see how it all turns out.
Had a little oopsie. And the horns.
September, okay, cool. Where at? Is it near you or near him?
Well, got them all finished. What y'all think? Leave us a comment
Down below.
down below. Tell us what you think. If we should have went different colors, if you like them or not. Thanks for hanging around and
We appreciate you guys sticking with us.
come back. See what we get into next time.
Bye-bye now.